I have Oppo F21 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable SwiftKey autocorrection feature on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system settings, keyboard and input method, Gboard, text correction, and here you have autocorrection, correct words while typing. And that's how you can easily disable this feature and don't bother with it. Or enable it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.